I just shot my first music video ever. What's up, guys? So yes, the first music video I ever shot is now live. If you wanna watch it, click up there. So I've been working on this project for the past few months and I'm so excited about it because, as I said, this is the first music video I ever shot and that was such a nice experience. So the music is called Let Me and you can check it out, it's on Spotify and YouTube and I'll put the link in the description as well. So this video is pretty much going to be a behind the scenes of the music video. First I will talk a little bit about the light. For this music video we did not went for the most unique lighting. We went for magenta and cyan. I mainly used two lights. First one, this one, and this is a simple garden light with a softbox in cardboard. And for all the colors I used those lights, which are lighting my background right now, and I have a little controller so I can change the color of all those lights, like this or this. So being able to control all the colors was so useful for this music video because I really wanted to achieve this look. So with those lights that was just perfect because I wanted a lot of movement, but I wanted this movement to be smooth. I used my good old Roniness, and because I don't have a dual handle, I improvised one with this fluid head from my monopod. I simply attached the gimbal right there, and like that I had the handle from the gimbal and the handle from the fluid head, like this. Being able to have two handles really makes it easier to be precise in your movements. As my long lens, I used this one. This is a Super Tacumar 55mm f1.8. So next, as my standard lens, I used this one, which was in my hand. So this one is a CCTV 25mm f1.4, so it gives me plenty of light to work with. And this one is not really an expensive lens. As I said in a previous video, this one cost me 13 euros. So the main lens that I used in this music video is the one which is on my camera right now. And you probably know this lens because this is the 18-35mm f1.8 from Sigma. It's not mine, it's my daddy's one, and because I used it on my Lumix G80 without any speed boosters but with a simple cheap adapter with the crop factor of 2, it gave me a 36-70mm, and I actually prefer this focal length from the one you get with a speed booster, which gives you approximately 24-50 I guess. And the last thing in my camera gear was this camera, which is my Panasonic Lumix G80 as always. So that's pretty much it for the gear I used. When I started in filmmaking and on YouTube, Instagram and everything, I didn't really know how to do for people to notice my work and to get some opportunities to shoot photo shoot or videos for others. But if you are starting in photography or videography, it's easier than you think. You just have to pursue what you love on those platforms and to share it with the world, and this is how people will notice you and ask you to work with them. You don't always have to look everywhere and try to find people who want to work with you. Sometimes those people will simply come to you. But if you wanna be like a DP on a big movie, well, just posting pictures of your dog on Instagram probably will not be enough, and that's why I am at film school right now. But if it is only to shoot like portraits with others, sometimes Instagram is enough. I mean, sometimes there are some awesome photographers who take awesomely beautiful pictures, but I just don't post it on Instagram or on Facebook or I don't know, and I just think it's a bit sad because when you share those pictures you also share a part of yourself, and maybe the others will feel like an emotion or something when they will watch your pictures or your videos, and that's why I think it's pretty important to share your work outside on those platforms Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the music video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, to subscribe and to share the video. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one.